Hello, Mr. Francis. How are you feeling today? The doctor has prescribed oxygen therapy to help improve your oxygen levels. Don't worry, it's a common treatment for many respiratory conditions. The oxygen will be delivered through a nasal cannula, which is a small tube placed in your nostrils. It's important to maintain a comfortable position and avoid moving the cannula too much to ensure optimal oxygen delivery. You may experience some dryness in your nasal passages, so using saline nasal spray can help alleviate this. It's also crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. While on oxygen therapy, it's best to avoid smoking and exposure to irritants like dust and smoke. If you experience any discomfort or changes in your breathing, please don't hesitate to let us know.
I'm a bit worried about the long-term effects of oxygen therapy. Mihira, will it damage my lungs? And how long will I need to be on it?
Understandable, Mr. Francis. Oxygen therapy itself doesn't damage your lungs. It's a supportive measure to help your lungs function better. The duration of therapy depends on your specific condition and response to treatment. Your doctor will monitor your progress closely and adjust the therapy as needed. Remember, the goal is to improve your oxygen levels and alleviate symptoms, and oxygen therapy is a safe and effective way to achieve that. Mihira, I know you've been through a lot, and it's completely understandable to have questions and concerns, especially about managing any discomfort as you move forward. Firstly, and most importantly, regarding the pain you're feeling, I want to encourage you to have a conversation with a doctor on duty before you leave. They are here to ensure your comfort, and they can have a detailed discussion with you about the most suitable and effective pain relief options tailored specifically to your needs and the specifics of your recovery. Please don't hesitate to be open with them about your pain levels. Managing this effectively is a key part of your healing journey. As you prepare to go home, I also want to gently remind you about how to manage your condition in the coming days and weeks. Your recovery is our ongoing priority. It is crucial that you monitor how you're feeling. If you notice your symptoms worsening, or if you develop a new concerning pain, high fever, or significant redness or swelling around the area, please do not wait. Contact the hospital immediately. Furthermore, organizing follow-up care is essential. Please remember to schedule a checkup with your regular GP in the next week or so. They will be your partner in care moving forward, checking on your progress and ensuring everything is healing just as it should be. We are here to support you through this entire process, both before and after your discharge.